Ayan. Dandelion. It's a lot. See? We're gonna make dandelion tea. Na-harvest tayo, guys. Gagawin nating tea. Ayan. Ang dami. Ito guys yung nakuha ko. Ang dami. Ayan. Ang dami, diba? Gagawin natin tea. At saka ham. Ibabad natin muna siya ng tubig. Saka asin. Hi! Hi, baby! Hi, baby! Ayan, guys. Ayan, guys. Ang dami. So, ibabad natin muna siya, guys. Ng salt. Yan natin ng salt. Tapos, mayroon pa akong leaves. Ayan. This is salad. This is tea and jam. I will show you what I gonna do this one. Ito guys, na-wash ko na siya. So, ilalagay natin sa oven. 350 degrees. Para ma-dry. Ayan. Ayan. On. Here the dandelion flowers, guys. I wash already. So, I boil the water. So, we're gonna make tea. Ayan, guys. This, I know it's a lot. But, I want to show you. See how easy become a colorful. Look. But I wash this one 2 times with salt. Not only 2 times. You see, guys? It's easy to color. You see that? So, we're gonna boil. Now, here it's a green tea. Oh. I observe guys, for 1 week eating dandelion leaves, I have a good sleep. So this is the one. So now, let it cool down a little bit. And then, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put honey. Ayan. We're gonna put honey. So whatever honey you have, natural honey or this is pure honey. Ayan guys. So, good. Very good. That's all guys. So this one I save for me for tomorrow morning. Every day. Ayan guys. So, I make dry. You see guys, I cooking the dandelion. So guys, you see, it's so yummy. Ganyan siya guys. If done this benefits for gut, anti-cancer. I've been 2 weeks now eating dandelion leaves, this flower. I make tea. And I show you the root. I collecting root right now because I see that we can make a coffee. So this one, guys, you see, this is the root now. It's dry. You see, this is the root of dandelion. So I collecting them. I grab the chance because if it's springtime, they are fresh and just like chewy. So now, you see, guys, just like ginseng. So parang ginseng siya. Pero unbelievable the effective of my body for 2 weeks. And I have a cramps in my hands, just like arthritis or carpal tunnel. So it's help for me. So I continue. So now I'm collecting leaves also. That's I gonna dry outside if it's sunny day. Even the flowers. Have a good day, guys. Ayan, dandelion.